This is fingering groups for 12 major scales and singing along to 15 major scale series, Lesson 5, Common Fingering, E major scale. Lesson 1 introduced the 4 fingering groups. Lesson 2 presented the single sound system for all musical accidental notes. Lesson 3 illustrated the 5 characteristics of common fingering by detailed analysis of the C major scale fingering. Lesson 4 utilized the common fingering characteristics in D major scale and in 1, 2, and 4 octaves, demonstrated the beauty of the single sound system. In this Lesson 5, you will learn E major scale and further experience the charming single sound system. The ascending E major scale is E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and E. There are 4 sharp notes, taking a long time to say. The single sound system provides a much simpler version. E, Fi, Gai, A, B, Si, Di, E, because all sharp notes rhyme with I. It's so simple you probably will never want to go back to use the direct note names. Like the D and C major scales, common fingering is used. Right hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The descending E major scale is E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. They are in the single sound system E, Di, Si, B, A, Gai, Fi, E. Fingering is again the same as in C and D major scales. Right hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and left hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play on the piano. Right hand first. Ascending E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Descending E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. E, Fi, Gai, A, B, Si, Di, E, Di, Si, B, A, Gai, Fi, E. Fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left hand ascending E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Descending E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Single sound E, Fi, Gai, A, B, Si, Di, E, Di, Si, B, A, Gai, Fi, E. Fingering 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All root notes are played by the thumb or the pinky. Thumb, pinky, pinky, thumb. All third and sixth notes are played by the middle finger. Third, sixth, third, sixth, third, sixth, third, sixth. With the 4 sharp notes, you will like the single sound system even more. E, Fi, Gai, A, B, Si, Di, E, Di, Si, B, A, Gai, Fi, E. If you sing them in Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, the one-to-one connection between the singing names, the staff notes, the note pitches, and the piano keys will be lost. Now 2 octaves. The fingering chart I made used the same symbols and colors as in Lesson 3. Please feel free to review. Don't forget to play 3 or 4 octaves and to let your fingers, hands, and arms get familiar with all keys and positions. In next lesson, we'll skip the letter F and go to the G major scale, the 4th common fingering scale. Hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.